Hello, I'm Brian Essick from How to Automotive, and today I wanted to talk to you about tools. Not the big tools that we're used to using, such as lab scopes and scan tools or impact drivers like this, but it's the little tools that make some of the biggest difference in our work life. And today I wanted to share with you a pair of these flat nose Channellock pliers that I use, or what they call Duckbill pliers, that I use on a day-to-day basis that make a big difference. So stay tuned for that. So the Duckbill or flat nose pliers that I use in my collection are made by Channellock. The part number is 718. I will link it up in the description of the video. So where I find they come in the most handy is when you're working with these small hose clamps here, these squeeze clamps, like the ones you'll find on transmission cooler lines, radiator vent lines, those type of things, maybe power steering hoses. They work really well for grabbing those and squeezing those clamps and allowing you to get the hoses off. So this application here is the reason why I purchased these pliers. If you look at this hose clamp, it's split. So there's two parts here. And if you were trying to use regular needle nose pliers, you wouldn't be able to squeeze the clamp like this and slide it off. At least not in the straight up vertical position like it is right here. So if you had needle nose pliers, this is what would happen. You would have to turn the pliers sideways to be able to squeeze both sides of the clamp to get it off, and there's not always going to be the right angle and room to get your pliers in there sideways to take them off. So this Duckbill allows you to get it right on there, squeeze the clamp and pull it off, so it makes life easier. Another application I like to use them for is pulling fuses. So they work really well on the mini fuses or the regular fuses to get right in there, grip them and pull them right out. So if you would like to pick up a pair of the Duckbill or needle nose pliers, I will leave links for it down in the description of the video. I'm Brian Essick from How to Automotive. I'd like to thank you guys for watching, encourage you to subscribe, invite you to head over to the howtoautomotive.com website for more valuable videos like this. Thank you again for watching.